Beautiful people, trade with Mitchell. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos like this, YouTube gonna notify you. Today, let's trade crash 300. Alright, I have analyzed this trade using my 99.5% unbeatable accurate strategy, and with my analysis, I'm expecting crash 300 to buy massively up. Alright, remember, nothing is 100%, but from my analysis, I'm expecting this trade to go up to buy massively. So guys, I'm gonna pause this video, then wait for the market to do the needful. Remember, anytime you place trade, after your analysis, you have to relax your mind. Expect the market to do the needful. Don't be in a hurry, don't panic. That's the rules of trading, guys. So guys, I'm gonna pause the video right now. Stay tuned. I'll give you guys feedback in short time. Alright, remember to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and like this video.
A few moments later.
So guys, here we are. Oh man. Here we are, guys. After a few hours. Alright, I hold this trade for hours, guys, because the more they move, the more I see the reasons to hold. Right, the more the market buy, the more I see the reasons to hold. And as you can see here, crash 300 really give massive profit, guys. So that is just it, guys. Whenever you want to trade, all right, there are things you need to put into place. There are three things that is more important in trading. All right, before you put that trigger, okay, before you put that trigger, let me share this with you. First, understand where you want to pick your entry. All right, know where you want to take your entry. Second, know where your stop loss gonna be. Okay, no matter how sure you are, always know where the stop loss of the market will be. You know where to stop the losses. And also number three, always know where to take profit. These are very, very important. If you understand this with your strategy, for me, I trade with the 99.5% unbeatable accurate strategy. And if you're interested, if you want to trade with my same strategy I use, click the link under this video to get the strategy. Okay, also click the link under this video to join my free Telegram channel where I offer signals on a daily basis for free. I love you guys so much. Talk to you soon.